Moving to another state and need to get your car there safely? Shipping your car doesn't have to be stressful. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple steps to make interstate car transport smooth and hassle-free. Tip 1. Pick the right transport method. Open carriers are budget-friendly, while enclosed carriers protect your car from weather and road debris. Choose what fits your car and budget. Tip 2. Prep your car. Clean it, remove personal items, and check for leaks or existing damage. Take photos before shipping. It's key for inspections and insurance. Tip 3. Confirm pickup, delivery, and insurance. Provide accurate addresses, schedule the dates, and check coverage. Tracking your car and having insurance ensures peace of mind. So remember, choose the right transport, prep your car, and plan pickup and insurance. Interstate car shipping can be simple when you follow these steps. Click below for a free quote from A1 Auto Transport. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car shipping tips.